If I were a boy, even just for a day, I'd roll out of bed in the morning and throw on what I wanted and go. If I were